Hi, today I have Motorola Edge 50 Neo and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application. In it, choose your network and internet, and there we tap on our mobile data, where we have our data warming and limit, and there we can set it. First step, we can set when our size starts, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on and turn off data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, in custom number what you prefer. Maybe we set data warming on 2 gigabytes, and there we can turn on and configure our data limit, and we can set it in the same style. Maybe we set 6 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.